Hello everyone, welcome once again. Myself Jyoti Tiwari and I am teaching you chapter Is Matter Around Us is Pure of class 9, subject is science. Okay, so we are discussing about separation of components of mixture by different techniques or methods. Here we are going to separate two miscible liquid by which process? By the process of distillation. Okay, so distillation is a process in which two miscible liquids are separated. Miscible liquids means both the liquid dissolve with each other equally. Okay, and whenever two liquids are miscible in each other equally, it is difficult task to separate them and to separate the components. But there is a distillation process which work on the basis of boiling point. Okay, so let's take an example. For example, acetone and water get mixed. Acetone and water get mixed. But we know that the boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius and boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what we done now? We will pour this mixture in a distillation flask. In a distillation flask, we pour this mixture and we will provide heat to this mixture. Okay, so as we know that we have fitted here thermometer also, and the temperature rise till 56 degrees Celsius. Acetone boils up first. Acetone boils up first, and acetone after boiling converted into vapor form and start reaching there. Okay, its path is closed here, so it get space to move in this direction. So acetone vapor, as the temperature rises 56 degrees Celsius, acetone boils up and converted into vapor form and goes to this way. And here it is water condenser, means we are supplying cold water which provide coolness to the hot vapor, so that vapor in coming of contact of cool environment get converted again into water form. Okay, acetone get there converted into water form, and we can collect the acetone in another flask. Okay, so it is a simple fraction method. Okay, but there is also another fractional method. It is a simple distillation method. Sorry, it is a simple distillation method. There is one more distillation method called fractional distillation. In fractional distillation method. Okay, this is a kind of distillation method, but in fractional distillation method we can separate those miscible liquid whose temperature, whose boiling point is less than 25 degrees Celsius. For example, in place of water, acetone get mixed with ethanol, whose boiling temperature is 78 degrees Celsius. So their boiling point difference is less than 25 degrees Celsius. So we can separate ethanol and acetone by the process of fractional distillation method. In fractional distillation method, we just do the changes in this apparatus. We fit here another tube which contain beads, which contain gel, which contain beads, Okay, these beads actually hinder the ethanol to go up, because whenever temperature rises to 56 degrees Celsius, whenever temperature rises Celsius, 56 degree Celsius, ethanol rises up in the vapor form because its temperature come 56 degree Celsius, so it has enough energy to cross these beads and go in this way. Okay, but in case of ethanol, its temperature is still not come. Which is what? Which is 78 degree Celsius. Its temperature is not come, so that it if rises up, so the rise in ethanol is not too much. It has less energy because its temperature is not come of boiling point. So that ethanol is stuck here due to these beads, and again after some time cool back and collected here, and acetone cross these beads and go in this way. Okay, because acetone boiling point reach and it get energized or separated. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me. Do like the video. Thank you.